Alright. Open up my garage. Get in the house. Oh. I don't know why it's stopping. Hey. Open up the garage. Alright guys, I'm gonna make sure that the fuel is drained out of this thing. I had to open up the garage door because I'm going to start this thing, give it a cold start, pull the keys out here. Hey, you guys like my little tag here? Alright, we're going to get the GS uncovered here. Throw this shit on. I'm just going to make sure that I've got all the gas drained out of the carburetors and everything. And now it's off. Well, there's no fuel going in there. I've not started this thing up in months. The battery still should be charged because I've been charging the battery off and on. Like I said, I have a... What is it? I have the anti-gravity 660 in here. For all you GS lovers that want to use that battery, that's what I have for this thing. And I have an anti-gravity battery charger. Start this sucker up. I still got to get the tack and the speedo on it. I won't be able to do that until after Christmas. Check it out. I was able to put my shoe on. I'm still hobbling around on my foot. Sorry for the finger here. And choke this sucker a little bit here. Alright, start it up. Let's see what it does. Yeah, sure. Start it right up. This thing starts right up every time, man. Good old GS 1100E motor, 1983. 27,000 miles on it after a top-end rebuild. New seals in the tranny and everything. The only thing I haven't done in this is I didn't put no main bearings on here. I didn't need them. They were up to spec. Backfire might be running out of gas in the carburetors. Choke turned all the way off. I can't not believe how good this thing runs. Oh, what is this here? A little bit of mark on the back of my... But no, I have not started it. I haven't started this bike in 2 months, and that's probably going to run out of gas in the carburetors. I've been missing my bikes really bad, you guys. It sucks. I want to ride so bad and I can't. This is it. Nice and full. Probably shouldn't be doing that when she's cold, huh? But these things were built real well. These GS 1100E motors that can withstand the times, guys. But I got those on there. Make they look a little bit better. If I have to, I can put some blinkers on here if my blinkers aren't good with the... I keep doing the same videos and I apologize, but I can't do much. I want to ride. I can't. It looks pretty sick with that headlight on there. I did want to get these lit up a little bit. Maybe I might be able to figure something out with that. But you can see with the blinker works there. It's nice and bright. She's smelling like gasoline. I don't know where the gas is coming from. This thing should be running out of gas any time. Just gotta love this. There's no noise. This thing's nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Regulator rectifier is running cool. I don't think I can get this thing running any better, guys. I might be able to do something a little bit more with the timing, but other than that, probably going to get complaints from the neighbors, but I don't care. Trying to run all the gas out of the carburetors. I don't understand why it's not running out. It's kind of set on there. I have this thing double filtered too, but down on the fuel, but she's full there for storage. Like I said, I've got this here that I need to hook up. This does work. I tested it out on there and it did work. So, but I just love this bike. I want to get this thing out on the track, man. This runs too good. It sounds way too good. Plenty of oil pressure up here in the lines. Nothing's leaking. Looks all nice and clean. Nothing's leaking down here. There hasn't been one drop down here, and this thing's been sitting here for a while, so this here is where the plug-in goes to this here. Haven't got a light on here, I might know, but turn a light on it here. It's nice and quiet, it's running idling perfect. Get you guys a good volume of the top of the exhaust. It'd be really good. You want to know what that noise is? This is rattling right here. Probably take this off of here. Pretty damn sick. It's a sick bike. Runs way too good. Way too good. It's nice and quiet. It's a 1983 Suzuki GS 1100E. Runs good. It rides nice. The only thing I have a little bit of complaint about is I got the rear sets maybe a little bit adjusted too far forward. So maybe need to be, or actually up. They probably need to drop down a little bit, but probably if I dropped them down maybe an inch and a half. But I'm going to leave them because it's really comfortable for me. So nice and quiet. I need to change the gauge. I need to get the temperature gauge up in here. I haven't done that yet. That crackling of that freaking coughing exhaust on here. Yeah. Anyways, got this thing off. About it. I can't do any more to it, but hobble around on my foot. It turned the key ignition off. There's just a few more things I need to work out, just the tachometer and the speedometer, and I need to get the front wheel stand up underneath here and fix that. Until Christmas, I cannot do that. So it's really cold here. It's really cold in Oregon, so inspiration to ride for this coming up year. And new resolution is I want to get my butt out on a track, and I will get out on a track. I got my 500 over here. She's all tucked in and ready for the winter time. Hopefully it's not going to stay winter too long. Eventually I do want to move somewhere warmer, and I'm going to. Yeah. Main inspirations is move somewhere warmer. You know what? Go to the Isle of Man in 2022. Get some autographs. And yeah, I can meet some people that I would really like to meet. Anyways, guys, I might take this live, but just thought I'd do a little video, inspiration video. Do stuff to your bikes. Keep them maintained. Make them run nice and clean. Keep yourself busy over the winter time. Watch videos on doing motorcycle stuff. Learn, whatever. That's what's inspiring to me. And anyways, you guys like my video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, my finger's blocking it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace!